wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best storage drawers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Duval 4-tier is an affordable option that gets the job done, but which you may not want to leave out on display in a living area. It sports a neutral color and is made with a steel tube frame and offers a relatively simple assembly process. At number 9, the Honey Can Do CRT 01683 is equally suited to holding bathroom essentials as it is to arts and craft supplies. Featuring 12 bins of various sizes, it allows several ways to arrange your things and has casters for easy repositioning. It comes with a sturdy metal mesh top and the wheels can lock in place, but the knobs are very small. Coming in at number 8 in our list, the Sterilite Small White is a set of 6 stacking units that you can orient any way you'd like, so feel free to line them all up, make a tower, or break them into groups. They're see-through, so it's easy to identify the contents without opening them. They're easy to keep clean and accommodate most women's shoes, and they're short enough to slide under a bed. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for storage drawers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Kate & Laurel Apothecary provides a place for small things like business cards, jewelry, essential oils, and more. It has spaces for labels, however it does show scratches and marks easily. It sports a rustic aesthetic and attractive metal hardware. It's intended for counter or desktop use. Moving up our list to number 6. Though made of plastic, the Sterilite 3-drawer tower looks slightly better than most comparably priced options. The handsome espresso finish and weaved appearance allow it to blend in well with other furniture and home decor. It's opaque for privacy with driftwood-colored handles. However, it can't support much weight. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Amazon Basics Mesh Sliding Basket is as suitable for a closet as it is a kitchen. It allows for a lot of airflow, so slightly wet things will dry inside it, and the frame is sturdy enough to use the top as a shelf. It comes with a divided compartment and is a stackable design, with rubber feet that help keep it in place. At number 4, the Iris Cart is available in 6 options, ranging from 3 to 10 drawers, so there's one to suit every need. They all have transparent sides that allow you to see some of the contents without having to pull out every drawer to find what you're looking for. There's a handy recessed area on the top, and it rolls for easy repositioning. It's ideal for office and classroom use. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Household Essentials Victorian boasts soothing muted colors and lovely metal scrolls that add to a home's decor rather than detract from it. Just as functional as it is attractive, it features 8 versatile pull-out sections. It's made with durable polyester and a wooden top that provides shelf space. The bins are well supported. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for storage drawers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Sorbus Foldable are a budget-friendly choice for keeping undergarments and small accessories organized. These come as a pack of 4, each of which is a different size, and all of which are ideal for sliding under a bed or into existing furniture. They're made of moisture-resistant materials and collapse flat when not in use. They're available in 6 colors. And taking the top spot on our list, the Serbior wide dresser is attractive enough that you won't mind leaving it on display, yet affordable and lightweight enough that you could just as easily use it as a closet organizer. It's equipped with a sturdy metal frame, an eco-friendly MDF top, and adjustable leg levelers. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for storage drawers, or simply click beneath this video.